Morning, everybody. So I'm going to try to make this session exciting. It's the first session of the day, giving you some insights on how to enter the cosmetic market in the Middle East and Africa, and what are the top topics, top regulations that we have to follow at the moment to move forward and enter the market smoothly. That's going to be the key part of the session today. So I'm going to quickly take you through the agenda for the session today. I'm going to give some insight about Intertek, who we are, what we do, the focus on the government and trade services and these activities, as well a few insights on the cosmetic markets in the Middle East. What are the key topics, the key areas that we are going to give the good trends for the market in the upcoming years. A nice focus on the global market access and what it means, how we can help brand, entering different markets, not only in Middle East, but more widely. What are the key focus, the key topics, the key area that you need to be careful with before trying to enter a market. Quick focus on Intertek sustainability solution, because we know that it's one of the main drivers of the market today. And we can have a few questions at the end of the session. So who we are, giving you some insight on who Intertek is. So Intertek has always been pioneering. That's really the main topic and the main DNA of Intertek today. We have always been pioneering. So Intertek was founded in 1995 by a gentleman called Khaled Bouat in the UK, who was focused on inspection of commodity item and commodity products exporting from one country to the other. In our heritage, we also have Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, who created the first ever laboratory for electrical product testing. And then we have Daniel Moody, more focused on oil and gas engineering and certification. And when Moody and Intertek joined forces in 2011, it created the group that we are today, Intertek, the UK listed company. So moving on to the company purpose, the company vision and the values, Intertek role today is really more needed than ever. The society is asking for more quality products, safer solution, safer access to markets, and Intertek is really here to help you on these topics. Our vision is really to be the most trusted partner for all quality assurance topics and quality assurance solution. And any question relating to the safety and the safety culture of an organization, its process of the product, Intertek is really here to help. So moving on to the size of the company, the global footprints. Today, we are a 44,000 employee, as I said before, headquartered in London in the UK. And we have around 1,000 offices and laboratories around the world, accounting for 45,000 employees worldwide today. So wide group, global footprints, local understanding and market knowledge. That's really the way we operate today. So the core of Intertek services is focused on four different topics: assurance, testing, inspection, and certification. So the assurance part is really around enabling customers to have a safe view on their supply chain and making sure that they prevent every kind of risk. The testing part is more about evaluating the customer products and making sure that it meets the demand and the standard on the market. When it comes to inspection, it's going on the ground, visiting the facilities, visiting the office, taking sample and making sure that the quantity and the quality of the products matches the requirement of the buyer and the seller or the relevant regulation. And when it comes to certification, it's a blend of all the services that I mentioned before: inspection, testing, checking regulatory advice, and making sure that the product, before it's launched on the markets, comply with the relevant regulation. So what is important to show on this slide today is that we touch every aspect of the customer supply chain. We go from R&D to raw material, to component manufacturing, to retail, to trade distribution channel, and finally, final customer management. So we provide all this blend of assurance, testing, inspection, servicing on all the supply chain. So it's an end-to-end systemic approach to quality assurance that we provide to the market today. So if we look at these different four types of family, I'm not going to go through everything in detail, but it gives you some ideas on all the categories of industries, all the different markets that we are touching today, from automotive, from textile, raw material, and of course, cosmetic and chemicals, as we mentioned before. So all these services we provide to the different industries. And ultimately, the industry that we are operating was called TIC in the past, testing, inspection, and certification. And Intertek was the first to add the assurance at the beginning, at the overall beginning of the industry, to make sure that we cover the overall aspect of the supply chain, giving peace of mind to the companies to operate in a safer and more regulated environment. That's really the whole purpose of the company today. So moving on to a bit more details on the different categories of supply chains that we are covering today. As I mentioned before, R&D, raw material, product and supplier, facilities, equipment, trade transportation, and aftermarket. So on all the different categories of operation or product that you can see on the screen, there is always a need for compliance, for regulation, for inspection and testing, and Intertek is really here to help making sure that you match these requirements. So a bit more detailed around the assurance services. One of the key requirements and one of the key trends that the market are following today is around building customer trust and how we can make sure that our customer trust the brand. Intertek offers all kinds of services to cosmetic brands to really demonstrate the safety, the quality and compliance of the product. When we move to risk management, Intertek is really focused on managing the services around the risk mitigation, especially in the supply chain. Moving from one country to the other, goods traveling from one country to the other, it's really important that all along the supply chain, there is always a control point, a control check to ensure that there is nothing negative happening to the product. And last but not least, we are providing compliance with international standards like ISO 22716 for good manufacturing practices on cosmetics. That's a standard that most of you should be familiar today if you are evolving in an international world of the cosmetics. When it's moved to testing, so Intertek is providing different kind of testing services, as I mentioned before, through a network of more than 1,000 laboratories and offices around the world, focused on different categories. So efficacy testing around topics like anti-aging or moisturizing solution testing, safety, sensitive skin, climate condition, especially in Middle East, are parameters that impact the safety of the product and the use for the final consumer. Intertek is really here to help to perform this testing. The other topic that to highlight today is around toxicology testing. Identifying potential allergen, irritants, to ensure that the sensitivity of the product to climate factor is not having a negative impact on the final consumer skin. Microbiology testing, it's not only valid for the cosmetic and fragrance industry, but any industry today, when it comes to a final consumer, you will have microbiology testing. And Intertek has a set of labs around the world, especially here in Middle East, but also in Europe and in Asia, to ensure the quality of the products, especially linked with microbiological contamination. Last point is around heavy metal and preservative testing. This is another really important part, especially if you export to UAE or to Saudi Arabia, to ensure that cosmetics are free for any harmful heavy metals. All this set of testing are area of expertise for Intertek that can help you enter smoothly the Middle East market. So moving on to a quick focus on this ISO 22716 that I was mentioning before, good manufacturing practices for cosmetic brand is kind of the basic to enter any kind of market today, any new market, and it's valid for the Middle East today as well. So Intertek has a long expertise of managing this kind of certification for the past 30 years. We have been running more than 90,000 audits around the topic, physical audit at the premises of the manufacturer or the distributor. One quick point on inspection services. As I mentioned at the beginning of the discussion, it's quite important to follow all the supply chain of the product, from production to distribution. And we need to take some time to analyze and inspect each of the aspects of the factory. Production is really important, as I mentioned before. That's the basic at the beginning of the production, to go and inspect, take sample, and bring it to the lab for testing ultimately. Quality control, as I mentioned before, if you want to prevent any harm to the final consumer, quality control all along the chain is the basic. And finally, supply chain audits, ensuring that the raw materials such as natural ingredients are safe, free from allergen, is really one of the basics. So last but not least, the certification, the one that is blending all the different services that I was talking about. Middle Eastern government have put in place several regulations over the past 30 years, what we call conformity assessment program, especially in Saudi, especially in the UAE, but also in Egypt, in Iraq, focused on cosmetic products. Any new brands willing to enter any of these markets will be required to go through a certification process and get a certificate of conformity for each of the products entering the market. Intertek is one of the certification bodies that has been mandated by these different government authorities to issue the certificate of conformity. And we are here to make sure that transition is as smooth as possible. So let's do a quick focus about one of our division, Government and Trade Services, really, partnering with the different government regulation and the government authorities in developing proper standard, proper certification program, and supporting the brand entering the countries smoothly while protecting the final consumer. So as I mentioned before, Intertek is one of the world leaders of conformity assessment program and fiscal program. We are the first ever company to build a conformity assessment program in Saudi Arabia in 1995. Before that, there was no conformity assessment program, so it's part of our historical expertise to manage this kind of program. And today, we manage more than 20 programs globally. We are also providing this kind of conformity services to brands and final consumer. We are not only working with government, but also with private company. And we offer all type of solution to protect companies and brands from heavy import duty. We provide pre-shipment inspection services, as I mentioned before, in the country of origin before it leaves the country to enter the new country. And here, after these 30 years of expertise, we have been issuing more than 3.3 million certificates of conformity covering countries, mostly in the Middle East and Africa for export, but as you will see after, also in Asia and Latin America. On this screen, you can see most of the countries where we operate conformity assessment program. In blue are the countries where this conformity assessment program target cosmetic product. So any cosmetic or fragrance product entering one of the blue listed countries on the screen, you will require this certificate of conformity. And it's something that you should not take easily. It's a lengthy process, but it's here to protect the final consumer and make sure that the product entering the markets are not harmful for the society. And Intertek is really here to help to make it as smooth as possible. So we provide conformity assessment program, dedicated food and cosmetic program in some of the countries listed before, like Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iraq, for example, or Qatar. We have these commercial services in the countries listed on the right side, and we offer all different, lower section solution depending on the need of the clients, focus on global market access. So what can we do? What are the real benefits for the companies to use our services? So for cosmetic brand, working with Intertek in your trade-related activity helps you ensure that you can access the market worldwide by navigating international trade regulation. Each country have different regulation. We have the expertise, we have the people on the ground to help you, understand and navigate through this difficult understanding. We offer regulatory advice and compliance solution, product certification and documentary review to make sure that anytime you want to look at a new market, you are prepared and avoid your product to be blocked at the custom or also being removed from the market for non-compliance. The key benefits is really to understand, what are the import-export law, what are the key regulations that you need to focus on and be careful with, what are the different parameters that you need to test on your product, and ensuring that it's not going to be blocked when entering the market. That's always the key aspect of our services, ensuring smooth entry to one country. And last but not least, GTS is going to manage all the documentation compliance, focused for custom clearance, ensuring that the product is really matching the local legal standards. This balance between international trade and local compliance is really important, and it's a very important aspect to ensure the long-term, stability of your trade in one specific country. So how do we work with governments? As I mentioned before, we help governments setting up this regulation and all the conformity assessment program for goods entering into one country. So generally, we assist the standard body. These bodies are generally reporting to the ministries of industry in one country. So we work the government people in setting up this regulation. We also work with the local infrastructure in country in the field of quality conformity and quality capacity building. We help the government setting up laboratories into their country to develop the quality infrastructure into the country. We provide, as I mentioned before, advisory, fiscal support, training, IT solution to governments, as well as valuation of database to ensure that they can keep track of all the information they have and use it to improve moving forward. And last but not least, as I mentioned before, assistance to health authority. We work closely with the drug authority, the food authority in the different country, ministries of health, in developing new solutions to ensure the protection of their citizens. So this is just a quick scheme showing how a final consumer or a private companies can work with Intertek to ensure the product entering a specific market. So first of all, each government is putting in place a conformity assessment program, as I mentioned before. So one of the exporters of a trader wants to ship into one country. They work with their local importer into the country. They get in touch with Intertek. We provide the testing, inspection, and certification services. We issue a certificate of conformity. So once the certificate of conformity is issued, it's sent to the importer who can declare it to the custom. The custom are clear for the shipment, and the good can enter the local market. So all these steps need to be followed seriously to ensure smooth access to the market. Quick global map showing where we have laboratory today able to test cosmetic products. So global footprints with key focus on US, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We are developing these capabilities day after day, and we are putting some more testing equipment and capabilities around the world. So I'm going to give some quick insights on the cosmetic market in the Middle East, key statistics. So we see the market as a 40 billion market in 2023, growing at 7.7% CAGR until 2030. So it's a booming market, driven by trends like organic and halal certified products. If we look at how the market is spread around today between the different countries, we can definitely see that Saudi Arabia and UAE are leading based on the population and the drive and the growth of the economy. But Egypt is really moving forward strongly at the moment, as well as Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, and Bahrain. So strong growth in the region, driven by the trend I mentioned before, sustainability, halal products, and eco-friendly solution. So if we look at the market share by product category, the way we see the market split today is between, fragrance, skincare, color cosmetic, hair care, and other category. All driven by fragrance, who has the biggest market share at the moment in the Middle East cosmetic industry. So now let's move on to the global market solutions that we can offer and how we believe, this global market solution and regulatory compliance are critical to enter any market today on the cosmetic world. So the key challenges faced by the industry today are that, companies are investing significant budget in R&D to develop products that match each of the markets. Each market has a complex and differentiated regulatory framework. There are strict import and export duties and procedure. So all these challenges are making, the entry to market more and more difficult for cosmetic companies and brands. So what is what we call GMA or global market access? Basically, it's ensuring that regulatory compliance for global distribution of cosmetic to enter new markets. That's really what we focus on. If you are already established in your traditional market and you want to go to new market growing, or if you have a need to develop in one new product category for an existing market, then we can help you in putting in place the right regulatory framework around your product before entering the market, avoiding any blockage or any bottleneck. We have the expert in all of the countries helping you going through this regulation and making sure that your portfolio of documentation and product is matching this requirement. So just to summarize on this GMA solution, the advantage is really, and the benefits for the company is really to protect the brand reputation, offer superior product quality. Intertek can be your one-stop shop for all the pre-shipment inspection for all the countries where you are shipping, whether a conformity assessment program is in place or not. It gives you competitive advantage, lower risk, and reduced cost. Summary of the global markets access solutions that I mentioned before, going through the validation of legal address and premises for your supply chain, go through deep factory audits, product sampling and production checks, quantity and quality inspection, documentary review, and final, last but not least, seals on the loading of the container and quick monitoring. I'm going to quickly going through the sustainability offering and trends that we see at the moment and why we believe that bringing this sustainability angle into your trade activity is critical. Just a quick fact. So did you know that 79% of beauty consumers have doubts about whether to trust the industry sustainability claim? One fact. Second fact, 41% of shoppers surveyed considered independent verification as very trustworthy. So all these facts make that, the final consumer are questioning the real sustainability aspect of the product. There is a strong commitment from consumers in the Middle East towards sustainability. It's not only a global trend, it's driven in the key markets like Saudi Arabia and UAE. Consumer wants to buy more eco-friendly products. They want to buy sustainable items that won't harm the environment and won't have any impact of the long-term development of their country. So at Intertek, we have developed a portfolio of sustainability solutions around the aspects of cosmetic products. As I mentioned before, we touch all the aspects of the supply chain, from R&D, raw material sourcing, component supplier, manufacturing, transportation distribution, marketing and retail, customer management, and of course, end of life. We have developed a set of solutions around sustainability for operational solutions on your own manufacturing and operations, what we call ESG assurance, corporate sustainability certification, how you disclose your activity around sustainability today. The sustainability services are ranked into 5 different categories. The first one being decarbonization strategy. We can help you check your GHG accounting and verification and work on scope 3 materiality assessments. We worked a lot on life cycle analysis like green R&D and portfolio of sustainability product management. As I mentioned before, environmental sustainability and governance disclosure. Europe, the US, and also Middle East as well have put in place some regulation around disclosure. We have the gap analysis experts into our own teams that can help you navigate this regulatory framework as well around ESG disclosure. Environmental claims, all recycled content that you want to advertise and use for the development of your activity. These are the kind of topics that we can cover and support you with as well. So just to summarize, recyclability aspects that we are covering, we have developed our own mark, Intertek Sustainability, to verify the recyclability content of your products. We are touching a set of 10 points listed on the screen that will help you comply with ISO 14021 standard under the Intertek Sustainability mark. So this solution is on the top of the certification solutions that I mentioned before, and is really here to help you bring the trust and confidence from your final consumers. One last interesting fact that I wanted to raise to the audience is that we have a full dedicated sustainability team that is focused on environmental footprint and sustainability aspects. It is present all around the world. We have developed some specific sustainability control and recycling procedure for lipstick refill to bioplastic packaging. And Intertek has been involved all along the chain and all along the certification scheme to ensure that environmental claim from the brand was matching the reality of the fact. So thanks a lot for your attention. I hope the session was exciting for everybody, gave you some good insight on how to enter markets more smoothly moving forward, especially in the Middle East, but also globally. So Intertek is here to help for this solution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. We have time for one question from the audience.
Thank you, Jeremy, for your extensive presentation.
Sure.
Just one question. How do you think is the importance of the relationship with the regulators in country, by knowing that enforcement is a major challenge when it comes to checking and protecting consumers? So what is the role of Intertek engaging with the authorities?
That's a very good point. So as I mentioned before, working closely with the Dubai municipality, for example, here in Dubai, or with the SFDA in Saudi Arabia is critical. We are working hand in hand with this government partner. We support them in drafting the proper regulation and give them market feedback. What is difficult for the importer, what is difficult for the exporter on the existing regulation, and how we make the regulation evolve to ensure that it's beneficial both for the country as well as the exporter and the importer. So smooth relationship with the authorities, working very closely with them on a day-to-day basis when you are a certification body like Intertek is critical. So that's a very good point. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. That was fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do have further questions, Jeremy will be out in just a few seconds. Thank you so much.